I finished unboxing. This is my MacBook Pro in 14-inch. And so the first thing I'll be doing is changing some of the settings. So things like cursor speed, how I want my dock to be displayed, and downloading Google Chrome. I would say that's pretty essential. And the next thing is basically just to do with aesthetics. So I want to make a really pretty wallpaper or multiple because I'll be setting up spaces as well. And also changing my folder icons. That's something I haven't done since like middle school. I remember in middle school when we first got our Macs in 6th grade, we were so excited to do all these like cool things to it, like changing the mouse icon as well. I think that's too extra. We'll just stick with the folders for now. And yeah, so I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to be creating those designs. So let's go.
Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!